equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on the Dyson HS05 warranty and maintenance. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to keep your Dyson HS05 in top condition, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Dyson HS05 safely. Begin by unplugging your device. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely powered off before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. This will expose the internal components of your Dyson HS05. Here, you can see the motor and the filter. It's essential to clean these parts regularly to maintain optimal performance. Using your soft brush, carefully remove any dust or debris from the motor area. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. After brushing, take your microfiber cloth and wipe down the surfaces to remove any remaining dust. This simple cleaning step can significantly enhance the efficiency of your device. Now, let's talk about the filter. It's crucial to check the filter regularly and clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. After cleaning, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any issues during operation. Next, let's discuss the warranty. The Dyson HS05 typically comes with a 2-year warranty, covering parts and labor for manufacturing defects. However, it's essential to keep your receipt and register your product online to ensure you're covered. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. If your device requires repairs, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device's maintenance. Finally, if you're experiencing persistent issues, consider our service that eliminates the need for calls or travel. We can arrange for your Dyson HS05 to be picked up and delivered back to you once it's serviced, ensuring a seamless experience. In summary, regular maintenance of your Dyson HS05 is crucial for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can keep your device in excellent condition and take full advantage of the warranty services available to you. Remember, professional help is just a call away, and we are here to assist you with all your Dyson needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.